We are given that a fruit company delivers its fruit in 2 types of boxes, large and small. A delivery of 3 large boxes and 2 small boxes has a total weight of 69 kilograms. A delivery of 5 large boxes and 6 small boxes has a total weight of 133 kilograms. How much does each type of box weigh? So just to underline the problem that it's asking us to solve is how much does each type of box weigh? So that tells us that we're looking for 2 different unknowns because it gave us that we had a box of the large weight and a box of the small weight. So I represented those by our variables L and S that we're going to be solving for. Now, because we have 2 unknowns in this situation, it tells us that this is a systems problem because we're going to need 2 equations to solve it. All right, so I've written the equations here. You've got your 3 large boxes and your 2 small boxes totaling 69 kilograms. And you've got your 5 large boxes and 6 small boxes totaling 133. So you're just solving for the weights. And there's a couple ways to solve systems, but in this case, I think what's going to be easiest for us is the elimination method. And what I mean is you're basically going to multiply one of the equations, at least one of the equations, by some factor to essentially eliminate one of the variables. So I'll show you what I mean. So both sides are going to be multiplied by the same variable. So we're going to multiply this by -3. We're going to multiply this by -3 because you essentially end up with the same equation. All right. And I'll just write the new version of the equation down below our second equation. So we end up with -9L minus 6S equals 69 times -3 is -207. All right. And basically what you're doing is just adding these 2 equations together. So you can see I used this factor because I could tell it was going to allow us to eliminate the S variable when we add them together. So all we're left with is -4L equals, do 133 minus 207, which is -74. All right, and then from there it's pretty simple to solve for L. L is just going to give us 18.5 kg. So that's our larger weight. And now we just need to solve for the smaller weight, which is S. So we can substitute this into either one of the other equation that we had to begin with. So we'll sub it into 3L times 2S. So 3 times 18.5 plus 2S equals 69. And 18.5 times 3 is going to give us 55.5. And still equals 69. So when we subtract the 55.5 over from the 69, we get 2S equals 13.5. And so our S is just going to be 6.75 kg. So that's both of our weights that it asked for in the original problem. Hope that makes sense. Let me know if you have any questions.